Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on a Chromebook. It's fast and easy to do. Show you a couple easy ways to do that. And then I'll show you how to sync up an image across devices. So if you switch from one computer to the next, log in with your same Google account, you'll be able to see the same wallpaper on your computer. So first way to do it is click on the circle on the bottom left, the launcher, and then you go to your files on your Chromebook. And wherever you've saved the image that you want to use as wallpaper, you find that image. I've got this image of a wave. You're going to right click on that image and then scroll down and you'll see an option set as wallpaper. So that's fast, easy to do. That's how you do it. Next method is even faster and easier. So I'm going to close that out. You're going to right click anywhere on the desktop. You click set wallpaper and style. So that will pull up a menu here. You can upload your own image. You can put images that Google Chrome has already selected that you can choose from, whatever you want to do. That's even faster. Lastly, I'll show you how to sync up your wallpaper across devices. To do that, you click on the bottom right where it says time down here, and then you're going to click on settings in here. And from settings, you go to security and privacy. And on security and privacy, there's an option to sync and Google services. And so you can manage what you sync. You can decide to sync up everything, or you can just customize the sync. So when you're switching devices, you'll have the same view, customized for everything or just part of it. I hope that video was helpful for you. You can change your wallpaper to whatever mood you're in, whatever motivation you have, or put a cool wave on there if you want to think about the ocean. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.